This is the Mini Geyser, and what it is basically an element inside this protective shroud. Pop it into a bucket of water, plug the other end into a 220 volt supply, and you have a miniature geyser. This little heater can heat up 20 liters of water in approximately 12 to 18 minutes, depending on the starting off temperature of your water. You can use any size container. The geyser element pops inside, plug it in, and you have hot water starting to produce straight away. Once you've got the water to the desired temperature, unplug the mini geyser, take it out, and then you can use the water. You must not use the water whilst the geyser is still on. The mini geyser does have a run dry protection switch so that it will turn itself off, and it will reset itself after 15 minutes once it's cooled down. This mini water heater allows you to save water and electricity by controlling the amount of water that you use and the amount of water that you heat up. You can also decide as to what temperature you want the water to get to. This mini geyser device is ideal for camping solutions if you've got a 220 volt supply, or if you are using emergency backup water where you don't have a hot water supply off tap. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.